Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important for anyone looking to get fit and feel amazing. Nutrition hacks for faster fitness results. Let's be real. We all want to see results. And while exercise is crucial, what you're putting into your body plays an equally significant role. So, grab a snack, preferably something healthy, and let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about the power of meal prep. I know it sounds like a chore, but hear me out. Meal prepping is like giving your future self a gift. Imagine this. It's a busy Monday, you've had a long day, and the last thing you want to do is cook. But if you've prepped your meals over the weekend, you've got healthy options ready to go. You can whip out a delicious quinoa salad or a grilled chicken breast with veggies, and you're set. No more reaching for that takeout menu or munching on chips because you're too tired to think. Plus, meal prepping saves you time and money. You're not just eating healthier, you're also being smart about your budget. Now, let's move on to hydration. You might be thinking, what's the big deal about water? But trust me, staying hydrated is a game changer. Water is essential for your metabolism, it helps with digestion, and it keeps your energy levels up. A little hack I love is infusing my water with fruits or herbs. A slice of lemon or a few mint leaves can make your water way more exciting. If you're not a fan of plain water, try herbal teas or sparkling water for a little fizz. Just remember, hydration is key, especially if you're working out regularly. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and you'll notice a huge difference in how you feel and perform. Next up, let's chat about protein. It's not just for bodybuilders. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, and it can also help you feel fuller for longer. If you're looking to speed up those fitness results, make sure you're getting enough protein in your diet. A simple hack? Incorporate protein-rich snacks into your day. Greek yogurt, nuts, or even a protein smoothie can do wonders. And if you're on the go, protein bars can be a lifesaver. Just watch out for the sugar content. You want something that's going to fuel you, not crash you. Speaking of snacks, let's talk about the importance of smart snacking. Instead of reaching for those sugary treats or salty chips, try to keep healthy snacks on hand. Think of things like carrot sticks with hummus, apple slices with almond butter, or even a handful of mixed nuts. These options not only keep your energy up, but also help you avoid those cravings that can derail your progress. A little tip? Portion out your snacks ahead of time. It's so easy to mindlessly munch, but if you have a set amount ready to go, you're less likely to overdo it. Now, let's get into the concept of mindful eating. This is a biggie. How many times have you found yourself scarfing down food while scrolling through your phone or watching TV? I'm guilty of it too. But here's the thing. When you eat mindfully, you're more aware of what you're consuming, and you're likely to enjoy it more. Take a moment to really savor each bite. Put your fork down between bites and focus on the flavors and textures. You'll not only feel more satisfied, but you'll also be less likely to overeat. It's all about listening to your body and recognizing when you're truly hungry versus when you're just bored or stressed. Let's not forget about the importance of a balance. It's so easy to get caught up in the idea of clean eating and feel guilty about indulging. But here's the truth. It's okay to treat yourself. The key is moderation. If you love pizza, have a slice. Just pair it with a side salad to balance things out. Life is too short to deprive yourself of the foods you love. Plus, a little indulgence can actually help you stay on track in the long run. It's all about finding that sweet spot where you can enjoy your favorite foods without feeling guilty. And lastly, let's talk about the power of community. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can make a huge difference in your fitness journey. Whether it's joining a workout class, participating in a challenge, or even just finding a workout buddy, having support can keep you motivated and accountable. Plus, it makes the whole process a lot more fun. Share your goals, celebrate your wins, and lean on each other during the tough days. Trust me, you'll be amazed at how much faster you'll see results when you have a support system cheering you on. So, there you have it. A few nutrition hacks to help you speed up your fitness results. Remember, it's all about making small, sustainable changes that work for you. You've got this, and I can't wait to hear about your progress. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite nutrition hacks in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and keep pushing towards those goals.